Okay, the day has arrived, if I can focus this up, to test drive my new tires. They are the Pirelli MT21s, and they have replaced the factory CRF300L tires, which I don't know what brand they are. They just, yeah, I don't even know if they sell them in the United States, but being a complete noob, this is going to be an honest evaluation of the difference between the two tires, because I know how those feel, and I'm going to see how these feel in comparison to those from a noob's perspective. So, the first thing I noticed is that this tire has a lot more surface that will be touching the road. This has a lot less. This tire seems to be thinner than this tire, and you see where my lean typically ends up on, if I can focus it again, on either side. You can see where it typically ends up. So some of the dealios, the form holes there, are wore off. But I'd put this, my typical lean, right between this. So it'd be on the edge of this, and if I can focus again, down the middle of this. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, this is the big test of the Pirelli MT21s, how they feel to me, a noob. So far so good. Don't know how far I'm going. I'm hoping to hit some dirt, but first I want to get a feel for them on some pavement. Feel good, they're not making a bunch of noise. Feel like they're handling the street pretty good. So far, I don't notice any real big difference in cornering. I notice the slower I go, the bumpier it feels. Oops. Although tires don't help me to remember to turn my blinker off, that's for sure. Oops. First gear either. So yeah, when I'm going slower, I can feel the knobbies. Whereas with the last tires, the factory tires on this CRF300L, I could not feel the knobbies. Here's another turn. Doesn't feel any different in turns, that's low speed anyway. Sometimes it's better to not use your blinker than to forget to use it or turn it off. See, I can feel the knobbies there taking off. Yeah, so I don't know. So far so good. I think the true test is going to be in the dirt. I was worried about how safe these were on the street, but I'm actually a pretty good street rider in the sense that Safety first. I don't haul ass, I don't drop a knee, nothing like that. And a good portion of riding safely on the street is keep an eye on what the cagers are doing, and even predicting what the cagers are doing, so you don't end up in the side of someone's car, or get broadsided by a car, or whatever. That's the most important thing to learn. Time to go see if we can get to some dirt and try these things out on some dirt, which is the reason I got them, was for more control on the dirt. I think I probably learned everything I can on the factory tires. It's kind of a curvy road to give it a good test. Go to my new dirt spot. Anybody coming? Nobody's coming. Here goes the big testarune. Iffy. I don't think going that way would be wise. Forward, I mean. Okay, so let's go this way real quick, because I remember questioning what the fuck they were doing over here. And to be honest, I still don't fucking know. And here. There's pea-sized gravel road to test the shit out of. Kind of packed though. Can still do a U-turn. I'm thinking they feel a little bit more grippy in the dirt. Soft sand, it doesn't feel that squirrely, not like the last tires did. Oh no, I'd say in dirt, they do pretty well. On the street, they do pretty well. I don't have any complaints. The only thing I can note is that at slow speeds, then I can feel the knobbies. That's like at 1 or 2 miles an hour. Right now, I don't really feel anything. Don't hear anything. Take this little route again. So Pirelli MT21's doing pretty good dirt-wise. I think the only thing it didn't come with was balls for me to fucking do this thing right, really. I can feel I'm actually doing things right, that it's a lot more stable than some of the softer stuff. Of course, if I'm doing shit wrong, like not counter-leaning or whatever, I get in some trouble, feel a little unstable. Go nowhere, Moto. So, and considering that today I don't feel all that great, for whatever reason, I have no fucking reason. Yeah. Unfortunately, dumbass me turned off the GoPro 9, which also does my audio. And my helmet cam was just full of wind noise and garbled voice. So being the outstanding motherfucker that I am, I'm going to paraphrase what I said here. First, I pointed out how much more aggressive the tread is on the Pirellis by comparison to the factory tires. Then I made note that along with the Pirelli tires, I had the motor shop put in heavy-duty tubes as well, and while they're at it, check the spokes and the wheels for true. And then I revealed the price. With me taking both wheels off and delivering them to the shop, I spent $372. Then I started rambling on how some people like to do split brand, putting the Pirelli on the front and some Dunlop thing on the back, which doesn't work with my symmetrical brain. To me, it's like wearing two different shoes, an Adidas on one foot and a Nike on the other. And then finally, I talked about how I had accomplished my mission for the day, and the importance of these tires in helping me to move my skills forward. But now, because I wasn't feeling good, it was time to end the video and go home and get some rest. This is the Motor Noob signing off. Until next time, ride safe.